Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the LEVOIT air purifier for home allergies, pets' hair and bedroom. This powerful air purifier covers up to 1095 feet and features a 45W high torque motor, ensuring that you and your family breathe in fresh, clean air. The ft²300P air purifier boasts a 141 CFM CADR and a 3-in-1 filter with HEPA sleep mode, making it a high-performance option for your home. With a 97% filtration efficiency for ultrafine particles, including pollen, dust, and animal dander allergens, this air purifier is a game-changer for those with allergies. Not only does the ft²300P air purifier deliver top-notch performance, but it also has a sleek, modern design that will blend seamlessly with your home decor. Plus, with Quick technology, you can rest easy at night with a near-silent 24 decibels noise level in sleep mode. And here's the best part: you can find the official replacement filter for the ft²300P air purifier with just a simple search, P07RSZSYNC, ensuring that your air purifier continues to operate at its best. So, if you're ready to breathe in cleaner air and create a healthier home environment, be sure to check out the LEVOIT air purifier for home allergies, pets' hair and bedroom. The link is in the description below. Don't miss out on this essential addition to your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations.